welcome to RVs of America. My name is Josh. Just wanted to share a little bit of information with you guys about using the TVs in the Black Series. Right now, most people don't use DVDs, so we just wanted to help you know things that you can do to use the streaming sites that you probably are subscribed to, whether it's Disney Plus or Google or Netflix. All of those you can actually take with you into your Black Series, and I'm going to show you how. Whether you're just using the TV or if you've got the HQ17 and you have DVD players in the back, you can use those as well, and I'm going to show you how. So on the TVs, they come with an HDMI port in the back, and I'll be able to show you the same thing on the DVD players in the bunks. But what you have to do is you have two options. You can get an HDMI plug-in that will then plug into your phone. This is an USB-C plug-in. You're going to find out which plug-in is going to work for your phone. So it would be an HDMI to X, whatever phone receiver you have on your phone. So it'll be different for an iPhone or whatever. So you'll just have to find which is going to hook up to your phone, and that's going to be the cheapest option. They do have Bluetooth receivers that you can use, that you can plug in, that will be cordless, but that's like $130. This was $10 on Amazon. So this is the cheaper option, easier one, or you can go Bluetooth. That's like $130. You can plug it in and use Bluetooth. So what you're going to do once you have your TV on, you're going to want to change the source, and there should be a button that will pull up a menu, and then we're just going to go through and go to HDMI, and then you're going to hit your button that says select, and it's going to change over to HDMI, and then what's going to do is going to do a screen mirror. It's going to just duplicate what I have on my phone. And so I've actually got two movies downloaded, and I'll show you real quick on Google, and it's going to be the same way with really any streaming service. I'll show you with my internet off. If I go here and if I go to my library, downloaded movies, you can see I've got one movie that's downloaded to my phone. So I could be 100 miles off grid and my kids can watch this movie. So when you're looking at your movies, whether it's on Netflix or anything, they'll usually have a download symbol that you can select there. It says I can't download it because I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. But when you are connected at your home or at a hotel or whatever, you'll be able to download any of your movies to your device so that when you're off grid, you'll be able to watch those movies. So download the movies that you want, whether it's to a phone or a tablet, anything that's got an HDMI port. You could use your laptop, whatever. You download those movies to that device, and then we'll plug it in, and this is how you'll be able to stream it. So once you go to your downloaded movies, if I select play, now it's going to mirror the movie that we've selected, and you'll be able to hear it from the speakers on the TV. Or you can use headphones that you can plug into your phone or your tablet or your laptop, whatever. So this is, again, a way that you'll be able to take Netflix, Hulu, any of those, and I'll show you actually Netflix. I did, let's see here, downloads. You can see I've got The Office here, which is an essential for off-road, right? And this is, again, no internet. So you'll be able to stream any of your favorite TV shows or movies. All of those you can download to a device and take off-grid with you, so you don't have to worry about having internet with you where you go. So I'll show you real quick on the DVD player how we hook up to that. So on the DVD players, when you come up here and you look, you can just see the DVD port up here. but you don't see any connections. They've got them all hidden. All of the connections are actually on the back side of the DVD players. You have HDMI and you've got a memory port, like an SD port. What we would be connecting to is the HDMI. I can't see it, so it'll be a mess if I try and hook up to it, but basically I would do the same thing that I did on the TV. Is I would plug in my HDMI port, I would plug in then to my phone, and then I would change the source up here to be HDMI, and then it's going to screen mirror. It's going to show exactly what's on my phone up on the screen, just like it did on the TV. And so that's how you're going to be able to watch Netflix, Google Play, Disney Plus, Hulu, anything that you can download to, you'll be able to watch on your DVD players, in the bunks, or on the main screen. So I guess that is our off-grid hack for watching and using your streamable services. And we hope you guys enjoy it.